Really? I'm just keeping the trigger. Oh, I don't have a flashlight! Hey! You're not allowed to use automatic.
I just got hit by 10 automatic.
Yo, Yee, where'd you go? Yee!
That was quick.
Where the hell did you go? I'm moving! Yo, coming in, coming in!
That was quick.
Yee, what's your 20? I see ya. Dude, I didn't know it was freaking
Everyone rush.
dark.
Go, 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 go,
Go, go!
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. You got it, go.
Bang! Bang! You're out. Hey! Hey, you're out! Run out on your team. Bang! Bang!
I'm explaining to them.
Huh? Wait, what?
I was explaining to them because they're arguing.
Oh, well, alright. Well, no, I'm staying. I'm staying.
What do you mean?
I got you.
Yeah, but I'm explaining to them, like... Alright,
Alright, you're out too.
I know.
Oh, bang.
You the follow?
No. Yee, I got him. I'm holding this side down. Yee, come back this way. Yee. Yo, come back! Holy shit! Team! Yee, I got the flag up. I got them, but they started spinning down, so I just sprinted back.
Alright, if we have to, that roll my business.
We have the flag there, bud. Stay back! Stay back!
Take a heavy fire in the hospital.
Shit, what the hell was that? Yo, Baker, what's your 20? Look at that, right there. Look. That's cool. Look at the H. You guys want to move up?
To the hospital. Stay. Yeah. Stay low. They're in the fire.
Yeah.
Stay low, but come in.
Why are you telling more people to come?
You need help? You want me to roll a grenade down there?
Yeah, kinda. I'll cover you.
Go! Stay down!
Do not come to the hospital. I repeat, do not come to the hospital. We're taking heavy fire.
You didn't see?
Do not blow that thing up and on us. Again.
What over here?
Just roll it out right there. Ready? I'm popping up. Bang, bang! Bang!
What is that?
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah. Let's go, move! suicide! Generals. POW. Hey, wait. Half you guys go that way, cover that flag, make sure they don't get it. All you guys right here, cover that, make sure they don't put up that flag.
Come on, I should stay here, cover that flag. Go, Ginger, just run.
Go! Yee! Alright, I'm going for suicide. Okay, guys. Do you have suicide?
I'll get the sandbag.
Other guys in suicide? Do we have suicide even?
Guys, go.
Alright, move! Yo, get in! Get in!
Go! I cleared it out, we're good! Triple kill. Armed men, you guys need the general's quarters.
Yo, we have suicide. I repeat, we have suicide. Move it out. I'm going for general headquarters. Yo, I need some help getting out.
I can't get you out either.
Guys, there's a bunch on general headquarters. You want to help? That's right, you fucker. Where? On the side of the tires, they say. Watch out, watch out! Watch out. Suicide should be clear. It should be. I'll go in and double check. Come on, you little bastard. I'm like, I'm gonna go check. Cover me. John, it's pretty rough getting in, but otherwise it's clear. It's hard getting in. Flash, guys coming up. Coming back. There's guys coming in suicide. Wait, where's their spawn? Oh wait, we spawned over here. No, it's not. Not anymore. Oh, it's 10 seconds.
I had suicide. I got like 8 people out.
I saw that. Dang, that one kid. Suicide. Let's destroy suicide. Let's destroy suicide. No, not at all. They just took it. I was in there. Whoa, okay, that was close. That one hit the freaking camera. You guys gotta move. You guys just can't sit in this corner. Move. Come here. Yeah. Move. What was that there?
Huh?
I said, this one was that crate there. Did you put it there?
What? No, I did not.
Where are they all?
John!
Hey!
Yee!
What?
You want to move up? How do you want to do this?
Go guys, I'm here. Flashlight, look out.
Okay, Yee! Yee! Here's what to do. I'll cover the hospital. I'll pin him. Yee! Yee! I'll pin him from the hospital and you sprint up.
Austin, how you want to
Go! Go! Bang! 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 Hey, buddy, you gonna call your head? Right, Timmy.
Come on, we found our way out.
Oh, we did it.
I have an idea. I'm gonna lay down and start sniping.
Alright, you do that.
Yeah, how are we gonna get out of here? Do you
Alright,
have a
hold on.
plan on getting out of here, or are we just gonna stay here and hold position?
No, we're gonna get out of here. If these kids knew what they were doing. Guys! Guys! Run for general headquarters there! I'm gonna cover you, alright? I don't know! Just sprint to general headquarters. I'm gonna cover you, alright? Go! Shit, never mind. Reloading!
Did it just say no respawn? No, it just say no more respawn. That was close. Oh shit.
Hey, stop hitting that now.
John, this isn't the time. Yee, what's your 20? Yee, what is your 20? What? They closed it.
Here, switch. We'll make it seem like the 2 gunners.
Alright, I gotta move.